Hi guys, it's Adam from Car Enhancements, and today I'm going to teach you how to put a panel filter in your MK8 Fiesta ST or EcoBoost. Right, this is a really easy modification, and to start you're just going to lift your battery cable out of the way. You're going to see two clips, one either side. They pop off, 1, 2, and you literally lift. As you can see, that's the standard air filter. Stick your finger in there and pull it out. Horrible paper thing, and once you've removed the paper filter, you're going to take your new filter, which should be the same size. You normally find that they're a little bit thinner, and you're just going to pop it exactly where the other one were, and just make sure that you push it in on all the edges just to make sure that it's all flat. Now on this side there's two little insertion tabs. Make sure that the airbox lid goes back into the insertion tab, and you pop your lid down and you pop the tab back on, and you literally squeeze over, job done. Now sometimes when you're putting the lid back on, these clips here can be a little tricky. So as you can see, that clips back on, but this one still hasn't engaged. Now what you want to be doing is trying to insert it in there, and you can see the back one as well. But if you can't do it and you're really struggling, I'm going to show you a trick. So what you're going to do, you're going to take a 7mm spanner, ratchet or drill head, whatever you've got, and you're going to undo the hose. You're going to lift the hose off of the airbox, and what that's going to do is give you a little bit more flexibility to insert that back in there. And you pop your clips back on, and then once the clips are back on, chuck your hose back on, and then just make sure that that's tight. So there you have it. We've now got the Voodoo panel filter inside the airbox, and this is the old one. As you can see, it's a big, horrible, thick paper thing. So you can either dispose of that, make sure that you recycle it, or keep a hold of it, as when you sell the car and put it back to standard, you might want to put that back in. But yeah, as you can see, that took what, 60 seconds, maybe a minute and a half having to do that. So a nice easy modification to do, and not bad gains either. Thank you very much for watching.